it's Rochelle here from the Photographer Society. Welcome to this week's blog. So this week I'm going to share with you 3 things that you should be saying to clients when you're on the phone with them, or maybe an email, but hopefully on the phone, which is better, so they book you every single time. Now you might know these things or you already do them, but I thought I would share them anyway. So let's get started. The first thing you should be saying is, when would you like to book in? Or, when can I book you in? So these phrases are really important to say. Not things like you would normally say because out of fear, oh, so do you want to book in? Especially your tone and the way you say it is so important. So when you tell them, so when would you like to book in? Or can I book you in? Actually, not even can I book you in. Ask them that when do they want to book in? Are you ready to book in? Because I have limited spots this month, or whatever month they're referring to, tell them you're limited. It's really important to indicate that you are ready to book in and they need to decide if they want to or if they don't. The second thing is, I need you to be able to tell them that you're booked out. So if they're looking to book in September or December, tell them that you're getting booked out in advance, because, you know, obviously you do newborn photography. If you do, that you get booked out in advance. When women get pregnant, they call you and they book. So explain to them how easily you get booked out. Another thing I like to tell them, that I only take a certain amount of clients per month. So that gives them an indication that if they don't book in advance, they will too miss out. The third thing that makes clients hesitant to book is they're not sure of the booking process and they're too embarrassed to ask about, you know, the process and how much they need to pay up front and things like that. So make it easy for them. What I do is I give them a short brief on the booking process. So I say to them, so when would you like to book? To book, all I require is a $200 deposit, and then at your session, you get to view your images, pick the packages you want, and then you get to pay a balance. And if you purchase products and albums, if you like, no pressure in any of that. I tell them if it's over $1,000, we have some payment plans to help you out. So that gives them a brief overview of what they need to do if they say yes and they want to decide to book. So hopefully these 3 things will help increase those bookings into your business. If you have more tips, I want to know about them. Leave them in the comments below. What I've done is I've given you my email templates below, which I've also provided for you in a different blog. If you haven't grabbed them from there, grab them now. They're the email templates. And if you prefer to talk to your clients by email, then these email templates are exactly what I use in my own business. All you have to do is to make them your own. So your name, add your business name, your contact details, all that good stuff. So you can go grab them. They're below this video or on top of this video, depending where you're watching this. And remember to leave me a comment and give me any tips that you might have that I don't know about and you want to share with others as well. So until next time, guys, I'll see you next week.
Are you struggling to book clients and grow your photography business? Do you find it hard to market your business, book enough clients, and charge what you really want? Then I invite you to check out the Photographer Society Business School and start your 7-day free trial. All you have to do is go to thephotographersociety.com.